Hi and welcome to my Python YouTube channel. It's awesome to have you here. If you like this video, a thumbs up would be great. And make sure to subscribe for future videos. I also have a blog at prosperocoder.com with lots of cool stuff, so feel free to check it out. In the previous part of the matplotlib series, we were adding axes to the figure. Today let's concentrate on a single axis, and in particular on the most important line properties like color, width, and style. To set line properties, we pass appropriate arguments to the plotting method. And now let's create a simple example on which we'll demonstrate line properties. So here we have the imports x, y1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so 5 lines. Here we define the figure and the axis, and now we plot the 5 functions. And this looks like so. Here we have 5 simple linear functions plotted on one axis. We didn't set the colors, so they were picked for us. Speaking of which, how do we set line colors? Well, we just set the color keyword argument to a color that we want the line to be drawn in. Have a look. Here we have the 5 plots, and now we set the colors explicitly. And this looks like so. Now, the first line is green, because we wanted it to be green. Then we have blue, red, yellow, and gray. Now, the next property I'd like to talk about is line width. You may want the more important lines to be thicker than the less important ones. The line width is just a float number. Let's add some line width to our lines. Line width equals 0.5, 1, 2, 4, and 10. So the first line should be very thin, whereas the last one should be very thick. Have a look. And so it is. The next property is line style. By default, the line is drawn as a solid line, but there are more styles available. Have a look. So here we have the first one and the last one are solid. Then we have dashed, dotted, dash dot. So these were the most important line properties. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.